back to the next lesson. A C reading lesson. That is Master with a Mission. Master with a mission. It's a master with a strong mission. Who is the master here? Dr. Vempati Chirasathy. Vempati Chirasathy. Doctor means he is not a doctor in a MBBS. He got a doctorate in dance. He is a great doctor. He is a great dancer in Kuchipudi. So he was born on 15th October 1929 and died in 2012 on 29th July. And his parents were Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi. Venkatachalamaya and Varalakshmi. At 18 years, at the age of 18 years, it seems to be 18 years means just like college going student. So he, as a he was dropped from the school and he just moved away with just 2 rupees in his hand. He went to Chennai, that means Madras. We used to call it Madras, for a big aspire. He had a good aspire at that time. What is that? Where did he come from? His village, Kuchipudi, which is 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada. Kuchipudi. From the small village, he started moving to Chennai. Why did he go there? To bring Kuchipudi on par with the other classical dances. So he has a big ambition. But what is there in his hands? He has only 2 rupees in his hand. But he moved away from his house and went to the train. So at Venkatachalam station, station master asked the boy, because he had just 2 rupees and he had eaten only plantains, means bananas and water just. So station master at Venkatachalam saw the boy and offered him a full meal and asked him, where are you going, boy? But he did not answer because he was just looking up to the sky. That's it. He did not answer anything. The lad reached Chennai. So he had many difficulties there. But so whatever he thought, he just did it in his life. So it was not an easy task going without any support and going without or moving in us without support. See that the boy, so he went to Chennai and he started there. First of all, many dance forms he learned with the help of Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana and Chinta Krishnamurti. They both taught him many dance forms in Kuchipudi. Previously, at the time, that means olden days, when he was born and he was brought up, at that time, they used to perform classical dances only in the festivals, in the time of festivals, only in the temple or on roads. On roads means on the demand of people. If anyone asked them to perform, they used to perform. That's it. That too only male-oriented dance. That means female characters also men only used to play. Now men's characters also female are playing. And at that time, Vedanta, Lakshmi Narayana, Chinta Krishnamurti. So they brought women also into the dance. And because of them, women also came into the dance. Before that, only men, Kuchipudi or whatever the classical dance, only men used to play. And that too only at the time of festivals and at the time of any ceremonies in the temples, only in the temples or on the streets. That's it. So now these two brought the women also into the play. And now Tadepalli Veerayya Shastri and Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri, both of them just taught him the different aspects in the Kuchipudi dance. He learned from them. But it was not an easy task learning Kuchipudi also. He used to learn at some teacher Kuchipudi dance. So the teacher humiliated him one day. That means you are unfit for Kuchipudi. You don't try to learn it again. In such a way, the teacher humiliated him in front of all his friends. He felt very bad. Really, his ambition is to learn Kuchipudi. His ambition is to bring Kuchipudi on par with the other classical dance. He thought that Kuchipudi is not equal with the other like Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kathak. So Kuchipudi is not equal with them, but he wants to bring. He wanted to bring Kuchipudi also on par with the other national, other classical dances. So that, and then few of all the students, all his friends were looking at like, some of them were ridicule him and some of them sympathized him, that means consoled him. Okay, leave it, just go on with your work in such a way. Some of them supported him and some of them did not give their support also. So he moved, and with the help of his cousin, Vempati Pedasachin, he entered the film field. He entered the film field. All of them who helped him in learning dance, Vedanta Lakshmi Narayan Sastri, Thadekali Pere Sastri, these two also taught him. And with the help of his cousin Vempati Pedasachin, he entered the film field in Chennai. So here, in which movies did he give choreograph to the dances? Nartanasala, all old movies, you know, Devadasu and Pandava Vanavasam. These are the movies which he choreographed for the dances of these movies. And next, and he went there, and not only sufficient with this, he just he became very famous with these movies. But he was not at all satisfied with that, because he came there on a purpose. So again, he started in 1963 Kuchipudi Art Academy. Kuchipudi Art Academy also, a dance school. So he started, and then there 180 solo items and 15 dance dramas he prepared. That means he choreographed. So one of them, few of them are Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Ksheera Sagara Madanam. Sri Krishna Parijatam followed by Ksheera Sagara Madanam. So this was really. And next, Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam. These are the few dances and dramas choreographed by him, and that made him very famous in Kuchipudi. And because of them, Kuchipudi really became famous. So this Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam and Sri Krishna Parijatam, followed by Ksheera Sagara Madanam. And next, he got many awards. He won many awards because he gave choreography to the movies also. And then he started the dance school, that means academy. So many awards he won. So like Padma Bhushan Award. He won the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India. He won the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India. And Andhra University gave him an honorary award in 1980. In 1980, Andhra University gave him an honorary degree. And SV University, Venkateswara University, Tirupati, they also gave him an honorary degree in 1983. In 1981, he was presented with a golden key by the mayor of Miami. So from other states also, from abroad also, he received many awards. See that, a golden key. And next, so he was awarded with the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship, and Rajalakshmi Award by Rajalakshmi Foundation, and in TTD, and Rajalakshmi Award and he also won Rajalakshmi Award by the Rajalakshmi Foundation. Next, TTD in 1976, TTD made him Asthana Natyacharya. He was made as the Asthana Natyacharya of TTD. So, and he has many disciples. Disciples means followers, Sishun. So, these are all learned dance from him. See that in them, Shantaram and Yamini Krishnamurti. These are also famous dances. These are all Yamini Krishnamurti, Vaijayantimala. So film actors. Vaijayantimala also is a film actor. Hema Malini is also a film actor. Manju Bhargavi, also a film actor. Shobha Naidu, who has recently expired. So Balagondal Rao and Daggubati Purandareswari, famous politician also. So all these are also his disciples only, his followers. They learn dance from him. Not only this, because of his hard work, because of him only, Kuchipudi became equal and on par with the other classical dances. That means now Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, and along with them Kuchipudi also got name along with them. Previously Kuchipudi, they never know anything about Kuchipudi. Because of him, Kuchipudi became famous now. And finally, at the age of 83 years, he died on 29th July 2012. And still he is survived by his 2 sons and 3 daughters and his wife Swaraj Lakshmi. His wife Swaraj Lakshmi and his 2 are also still alive. So that's why, because of his hard work only, Kuchipudi became famous now. So that's why he is definitely called as master with a mission. So his mission is to bring Kuchipudi on par with the other classical dances, and he did it. He completed his mission. So that's the end of the lesson, and thank you children. Thank you.